Hello and welcome. In this channel we talk about wellness and different ways of improving it, sometimes with pendulum, sometimes with Reiki or other modality. But in this video I want to show you this small therapy light which I've just been sent by Mito, and I'm planning to use it for doing like face therapy to improve the skin on my face. I also am going to use it for different joints and muscles. And I will try to put it on my head and improve the health of my hair as well. And who knows, maybe shining the light through my scalp will help improve the functioning of my pineal gland and activate my third eye. I don't know about that, but I will let you know as soon as I know more information about the results. So if you are interested in this small therapy panel to be used for improving well-being of you and your family, check out this unboxing video. Thanks for watching. By the way, this video is not sponsored by anyone, but I'm affiliated with MitoPRO Lights and they kindly send me this light for free so I can demonstrate how it looks, how it works, and provide you with all sorts of information you need to make the informed decision if this is the right panel for you. And because I'm affiliated with them, I can offer you a discount code so you can get this light or other of their panels even cheaper. I think it's a win-win for everyone. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so the light came in this size of the box, so let's just open it here. Okay, so in the box we've got the box with the light. Let's take it out. Here is what we've got. MitoPRO Mobile LED Therapy Light. Okay, so let's just take it out. Here we've got another box. Looks like the light is in a nice carry case. Here you are. Light comes in a carry case. And here is what's inside. So on the right side, let's just go for the light first. Yes, that's the most important item here. So this is the light itself. You've got the aluminum part here, the lenses, and then we've got a plastic case with a kickstand, so you can place it on the table if you want. Okay, so this is the light. Okay, and what else we've got here? We've got a user manual. We've got a carrier bag. We've got a strap, which I believe we can use to strap at the back so you can hold the light like this. We've got a charger. Here, this one has got attachment for US, but I hope that you get yours with the attachments relevant to your country, because it's got this removable piece, so it means you can plug other plugs relevant to your electricity in your country. And we have protective goggles, which we usually use when we do light therapy for somewhere around our face, because the light is usually very bright so we protect our eyes from too much light. Okay, so this is it. There's nothing more in the box. And let's just quickly see how can we turn it on. So there's a power button here, just press it for 3 seconds, I believe. We've got a small digital panel here. I don't know if you can see here. Small digital panel. And I've got here red and near infrared, 10 minutes timer, 100%, and pulsing is off. Yes, because this light has got a pulsing option as well, which means near infrared light can pulse in 10 Hertz. So some people prefer to use it with pulsing when they do light therapy for muscles, for instance. But if you don't want to use pulsing, then just you don't turn this on. What we have else, let's just start the session. We'll see how it works. If I just press this one, this will change red, near infrared, or both. And this is how you start the session. So this is red and near infrared. Can we change the type of light during that session or not? Yes, just red, just near infrared, and both. Okay, we can also change. When we press here, we have we can reduce the light output. So we can tailor the amount of light we want for our specific session. And of course the timer will switch off the light automatically after 10 minutes, but if we want to have it faster, then we just, if we want to stop the session earlier, we just press this button here. And we also have an ambient light. So if we press here, as you see, we've got the ambient light, which is helpful when you are in the hotel room, for instance, and you want to use it just before you go to sleep to get in a good mood for a good night's sleep. And I think it's also adjustable, the brightness, so probably when you turn this one on and then adjust the brightness, yes. Oh, so this is how you adjust the brightness of this light. And as you see, it's got that stand, kickstand, which allows you to position the light. So for instance, you can place your hand like this, and instead of holding it, let's just press the button here. Instead of holding the light, you can just relax and do something else with the other one. Maybe just do something on your mobile or something while you are doing session. And we can of course keep the light in a different position, this way, that way. It depends of course on the surface. I've got here a very soft surface, so it's not going to work. But we've got also this strap, which let's just quickly put this strap on, which may be helpful when you do light therapy for like your knee or other areas, and it's it's better to hold the light like this. So when we turn it on again, let's say we can hold it like this, and this strap makes it easier. Probably you just need to, you can adjust the tightness of this strap. It's nicer to hold it in this way. And we've got the charger here, and then we can plug, of course, one side to the wall, and we've got the socket here at the end of the panel. So let me just undo this. We've got the power socket here. We just stick this to the panel, and the other side will go to the wall to charge it. And according to specification, I think fully charged light will last for about 2.5 hours of constant use, but of course you're not using it constantly for 2 hours. Usually you do the session for 10 minutes on the area, and if you are new to red light therapy, perhaps you even start with, let's say, 3 minutes or 5 minutes, just to adjust to the light therapy first. But you know, users who are already used to working with red light therapy usually use 10 minutes per different area. So for instance, if you do light therapy for your muscles, you will do 10 minutes on one elbow, for instance, and then you swap and do 10 minutes on another elbow. This kind of light is very versatile because you can use it for muscles and joints, but also you can use it for skin therapy. Let me just take off my glasses and put these goggles on, and I will demonstrate that it's also easy to do light therapy on your face. It's just good enough. Let me just first change the setting for this is 100% off. Okay, and I place the goggle on, and here you are. This is the light shining on my face. You can judge by yourself if my face is fully lit or not, and I'm holding it in a good distance from my face. Of course, you can do like for your neck area as well, or other areas of your body, depending what part of your body you do light therapy on. And the small light, of course, is for small areas. So if you would like to have a light therapy on the half of the body or full body, you would of course go for the larger panel. But the idea of having this kind of panel is that you take it with you wherever you go. So for instance, if you travel a lot, if you are a member of air crew, like a stewardess or maybe a pilot, then you can do light therapy in your hotel room. But you know, you can also be a businessman or businesswoman traveling as well from one town to another, or spending time outside of your home a lot in all sorts of hotels or B&Bs. And then when you feel like you have achy muscles and joints, or you just want to do light therapy for your skin, then this kind of light is easy to take with you, and you can take it with you wherever you go. Look how small is the luggage. The box is very small, and you can put it in any kind of luggage you have, and travel with it wherever you need. And another thing is that if you have elderly parents, for instance, and you often meet them or visit them, let's say to do some care for them, maybe give them some meals, or you know, check up on them every day or every other day, then you can take the small light like this and to do light therapy for them. Let's say if they have achy muscles or joints, or maybe some sore area in their body, And then and after you finish helping them with their problem, you just take the light home and use it for you and other members of your family. So here you are. This is the MitoPRO Mobile, the newest therapy panel from Mito, and as you see, it looks very nice, has got lots of interesting features. And if you're interested in this light, you can get more information on their website. You can find my affiliate link down below. And I'm going to demonstrate how to use this light on different areas of our body soon. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.